What have you got over there? I think there's a fish in the water. Oh, go and check it out. Oh, I don't know if you can eat. Oh, God. Maybe I'll try again. How about you look? You go. Oh, come on. Oh, it's coming close. Ew. I don't know if I'll go here. I think maybe this is a bad idea. I think it's coming close again. Oh, yeah, I'll check it out again. Let me check it out. Maybe not. It doesn't look like it's going to do anything to me. Looks like it's coming close. Oh, yeah, maybe. Oh, heck. Oh, it got away. That's mine. You go away, you other. Oh, God. I'm not sure how to approach this. No, I've never seen something like this before. Oh, I'll just poke around here and maybe something will come to me. Oh, it's very close. Oh, it hit my tail. Oh, God. What do you think about this thing? Oh, have a look. It's mine, you know. I saw it first. Oh, I don't like it. I think it's a pufferfish. Yeah, it looks kind of like I could eat it, but I'm not sure about this one. Oh, it's close. I don't think I'll worry about it. You can have it. It looks a little poisonous to me. Oh, I'll have a look at it then. Oh, that hit my tail, darn it. Oh, I'm out of here. Yeah, let's forget it.